The reviewer kicks off by highlighting Dodge's dramatic visual overhaul. With an aggressive front fascia, sleek LED headlights, and a sporty grille, the Dart GT Sport projects confidence. Its sculpted hood lines and muscular shoulders give it a purposeful stance. The dual chrome-tipped exhausts, rear diffuser, and 19-inch alloy wheels underscore the car's athletic DNA. The overall aesthetic fuses modern compact sedan trends with iconic GT sportiness. Never timid, always assertive. Engine and performance dynamics. Central to the appeal is a newly developed 2.0L turbocharged four-cylinder engine. The host notes the engine delivers punchy acceleration and immediate throttle response. They test the car's power on both city streets and highway maneuvers, noting that passing bursts are handled with ease. The turbos spool rapidly, providing lively mid-range torque. There's mention of a sporty suspension setup, firm yet compliant, offering responsive handling without compromising ride comfort, an ideal balance for daily driving or spirited runs. Transmission options and driving dynamics. The review dives into transmission details. An 8-speed automatic is the standard gearbox, praised for swift, seamless shifts. Paddle shifters are integrated for driver engagement. The reviewer mentions a manual shift mode that allows holding gears, perfect for cornering or engine braking on descents. They describe the steering as direct, with only a whisper of road noise in sport mode. All around, the GT Sport is portrayed as agile, intuitive, and fun to pilot, even at higher speeds. Interior, smart tech meets comfort. Inside, the Dart GT Sport impresses with comfortable bolstered seats, a digital instrument cluster, and a large touchscreen, 10.1 inches in the review unit. The system includes wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, built-in navigation, Bluetooth, and USB-C ports. Wireless charging and a premium sound system elevate the daily experience. The cabin uses leather, faux carbon trims, and metal accents. Ambient lighting adds personality. The host notes good visibility, supportive seats, and quality fit and finish throughout. Infotainment, connectivity, and safety suite. The infotainment UI gets applause for intuitive menus and quick responses. The digital gauge cluster can be customized. Sport mode brings up turbo boost and G-meter readings. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alerts, and automatic emergency braking. The reviewer pushes future thinking. These systems work seamlessly, adding that they're unobtrusive and enhance peace of mind without interrupting the drive flow. Real-world test, commuting and weekend drives. The reviewer splits their practical on-road test into commuting and weekend driving scenarios. During city driving, the compact size helps in tight spots and traffic, while fuel economy hovers at 28 mpg on average. On twisty roads, they engage sport mode and note a flat, composed demeanor through corners. The car shows good composure under lateral loads. During highway driving, it holds speed well, and cruise control in traffic is smooth and responsive. Overall, it's portrayed as adaptable, quick enough for weekend fun, refined enough for daily errands. Ride quality and NVH levels. Addressing comfort, the host notes a pleasantly quiet cabin. The suspension absorbs imperfections well, with only sharp potholes transmitted inside. Road and wind noise are minimal, even at higher speeds. On rough pavement, the suspension isolates the cabin from jostles. The review emphasizes a balanced NVH, noise, vibration, harshness, package, making long drives relaxing yet engaging. Fuel economy and cost of ownership. Fuel efficiency figures are encouraging, roughly mid to high 20s mpg combined, with potential 30 miles per gallon on longer highway trips. Maintenance schedules are typical for the segment. Recommended oil changes, brake service, tire rotations, and projected costs are moderate. The infotainment updates are over-the-air capable, reducing dealer visits. Overall, the owner experience is described as affordable and hassle-free. Competitor comparison and segment positioning. Comparisons are drawn to rivals like the Honda Civic Sport, Mazda 3, and VW Jetta GLI. The Dart GT Sport holds its own on styling, performance, and tech. The reviewer highlights that Dodge offers a sportier character and turbocharged thrust, often at a lower price point, though brand loyalty and resale values may play a bigger role in buyers' decisions. The Dart stands out as a value-packed alternative for those seeking bold flair. Drawbacks and critique. No car is perfect, and the reviewer brings up some constructive points. Rear headroom. Sporty roofline slightly cuts into rear seating space. Tall adults might find it snug. Cargo capacity. The trunk is average. Folding rear seats help, but overall volume trails some rivals. Firm ride in daily mode. A few might find the firmness noticeable in regular driving. Brand service network. Dodge dealer density isn't as extensive as manufacturers like Honda or Toyota in some regions. These are framed not as deal breakers, but areas for buyers to weigh. Final thoughts and recommendation. The host concludes enthusiastically. The 2026 Dart GT Sport brings big car performance, modern tech, and bold style into a compact package. If you're looking for a lively, engaging small sedan with strong turbo power, sporty dynamics, and premium-feeling interior, the Dart should be on your shortlist. While brand network and tight rear space may matter to some, the overall driving and value proposition is compelling. Viewer engagement and channel wrap-up. The host wraps up with a reminder to like, comment, and subscribe to All Motors brand. They tease upcoming videos featuring comparisons with its main competitors and deeper dives into driving modes, track validation, or even the interior customization options. A clear signal that this car will be featured extensively moving forward. Summary. In roughly 12.5 minutes, the review provides a thorough and balanced portrait of the Dodge Dart GT Sport. It blends driving dynamics, tech, comfort, and ownership perspective, supported by on-road footage, interior macro shots, and real-world driving tests. Key highlights include turbocharged 2.0 L punch and refined handling, intelligent infotainment, digital cockpit, solid safety tech, comfort and quietness with responsive suspension. Drawbacks: tight rear headroom, average trunk space, firmer ride feel. If you're in the market for a compact sports sedan with personality, performance, and modern flair, this video makes a strong case for the Dart GT Sport. Let me know if you'd like deeper specs, price comparisons, or insights into ownership costs. Sources.